Hey guys, Fabian here with Armadillo Designs. We just got the hardtop on. Let's do a walk around and check it out. So first and foremost, it is an all aluminum design, only hardtop on the market that is currently made from all aluminum. Here we have the side gull wing door. On the exterior, we have these rib nut mounts, where some of you have seen a MOLLE panel attached to it. We have two locking latches. When you click them open, the gull wing opens. On the website, you will see interior MOLLE panel options in which you can install and carry your cargo, your first aid kit, or whatever you need to have. You will see the interior EVA foam here, which is a sound deadening product. As we come around the back, you will see all the extra cargo space. On our website, you will also see interior MOLLE accessories, such as a shelf. Here we have a roof panel. So the two roof panels are removable and they store perfectly in the rear, and we offer these bags as well. As we make our way to this side, you will see the other gull wing doors already open. You can either have a full open window or you can have an internal MOLLE panel, one or the other, both, and have the shelf, up to you. As we make our way inside, you will see the two removable roof panels. You will also see our black on black EVA foam interior liner. So on our website, we offer different colors and different patterns. Here you will see the diamond cut pattern. We also offer hexagonal and board as well. I know some of you guys have been asking, what's the strength of this product? So again, it is all aluminum, not fiberglass. Show you guys the strength. It's not the most graceful, but so I'm walking all over the roof of the roof panel. So I can jump. This thing is strong. I mean, you guys have seen Derek from Bronco get up here. He's definitely a little bigger than I am. So now that both myself and my cameraman are up here on the roof, if you would like to install an awning, we do have these side rib nut locations here in which you can do so. And if you guys would like to attach a roof rack, we do have rear rib nut locations here in which on our website we offer a rear bracket that attaches to those options. So you guys checked out the hardtop. Let us know what you think in the comments. Get your order in today and be a part of Team Armadillos.